In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. We'll walk through how to open a Kanban view, adjust how your tasks are organized, and make small tweaks that make your board easier to work with day to day. First, make sure you're logged into ClickUp and inside the workspace and team space where your projects live. From the left-hand navigation, open the space or folder you want to work in, and then go to the overview area for that location. This is where you can choose how you want to visualize your tasks. Near the top of the screen, look for the View options. You'll see different choices like List, Board, or other custom views. Click on the highlighted area that opens the View selector and then choose the Kanban or Board Style option. As soon as you select it, your tasks will appear as columns grouped by their current status, such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. Now let's refine how things are displayed. At the top of the board, locate the Status control. Click on Status to open the options related to how your tasks are grouped and ordered. If you see another status option, click again so you're definitely inside the configuration panel for that board view. Inside this panel, look for a small highlighted icon or drop-down that controls sorting. Click that, then choose Ascending so that tasks within each column are ordered in a consistent, predictable way, such as from oldest to newest. This makes it much easier to see what's been waiting the longest. Next, you'll see additional highlighted controls on the board. Click through these to open the settings for how subtasks are shown. Find the subtasks setting and select it. Here, choose Expanded so that subtasks are clearly visible under their parent task, rather than hidden or collapsed. If you see Expanded listed again in a confirmation or secondary menu, click it once more to apply that choice to the board. You may also see a default option in these settings. Click on the default choice so this Kanban configuration is saved and reused whenever you come back to this view. Confirm any final highlighted buttons to close out of the settings. Back on the board, click on a specific card, such as Task 1, to open it. This lets you see details, comments, and subtasks, and is how you'll typically work with individual items. When you're ready to grow your board, look for the Add Task button in a column. Click Add Task, and then again on the prompt that appears, to create a new card in that status. From here, you can keep adding and organizing tasks directly on your Kanban board in ClickUp.